हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू लास्ट मोमेंट ट्यूशंस। आई एम ध्रुवी और आज हम देखेंगे इंटर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन पैरामीटर्स। अब हमने z पैरामीटर, y पैरामीटर, ABCD पैरामीटर, हाइब्रिड पैरामीटर्स देख लिए। तो हाउ टू कन्वर्ट अ गिवन पैरामीटर इनटू सम अदर पैरामीटर। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर तुम्हें z पैरामीटर दिया हुआ है एंड तुम्हें बोला है कि y या ABCD पैरामीटर ढूंढना है, तो यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला। नाउ इन केस यू हैव y11, y12, y21, y22 यानी कि y पैरामीटर्स दिए हुए एंड यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड टू कैलकुलेट द z पैरामीटर्स, सो you'll use the same equation, right? So let us see what are the different formulas that we'll be using. So delta x यानी कि x11 x22 minus x12 x21. Similarly अगर delta y है तो it will be replaced by y11 y22 minus y12 y21. So this is a standard formula for delta that we use. Then we have z, y, t and h in terms of, and then accordingly z parameter, y parameter, t parameter and h parameter. So ये formula से हमें will have to convert. So let us solve a numerical on the same. So this is the question that is given to us. The z parameters of a two-port network are z11, z22, z12, z21 that is 10 ohms. Find y and ABCD parameters. यानी कि हमें z parameter दिए हुए हैं. We need to find for y and ABCD parameter. तो first thing that we need is the formula chart table, right? So this is the chart. अब हमें y11, y12, y21, y22 ढूंढना है. So we'll be using this row, right? उसमें हमें we have been given z parameters यानी कि ये z22 by delta z minus z12 by delta z. तो ये पैरामीटर्स को हम कंसिडर करके y पैरामीटर्स ढूंढेंगे. So for your convenience I have written the formula over here. So the first step is कि हमें delta z ढूंढना पड़ेगा. So let us write what is delta z. So delta z is equals to z11 z22 minus z12 into z21, right? Now all the parameters have been given. So z11 had 20 into 30 minus 10 into 10. So that is 600 minus 100, that is equals to 500. So delta z की value हमें मिल चुकी है. So now we will calculate the y parameters. So for y parameter, y11 is equals to z22 by delta z, right? z22 का value is 30, right, upon delta z, that is 500 जो हमने calculate किया. So this will be 3 by 50 more. Next, y12 का value, that is minus z12 upon delta z, so that is minus 10 upon 500. So that is equals to minus 1 by 50 more. Similarly, y21 calculate करेंगे, that is minus z21 by delta z. So that is also minus 10 by 500. That comes out to be minus 1 by 50 more. And the last y parameter, that is y22, is equals to z11 upon delta z. Now z11 is 20 upon delta z is 500. So this will be 2 by 50 more. So I hope you have understood कि हमने y parameter कैसे calculate किया है. Similarly, we have to calculate ABCD parameter. So ABCD parameter, let us see the chart once again. So as you can see over here, ABCD parameter हमें चाहिए. So अगर हमारे पास Z parameter है तो these are the formulas that we'll be using. So A is equals to this, B is equals to this and so on. So let us write that in our solution. So the value of A, that is equals to Z11 by Z21. Now Z11 की value is 20, Z21 का value is 10. So that is equals to 2. Now the value of B यानी कि B parameter, that is delta Z upon Z21. So delta Z is 500 upon 10. So that comes out to be 50. C is equals to 1 upon Z21. That is 1 by 10. That is 0.1. And D is equals to Z22 upon Z21. That is 30 by 10, which is equals to 3. Right? So यहाँ से हमें सारे parameters मिल गए. That is Y and ABCD parameter. So finally you can write the Y matrix as 3 by 50, minus 1 by 50, minus 1 by 50 and 2 by 50. So this is your Y matrix. Similarly for A, B, C and D you can write this as 2, 50, 0.1 and 3. So I hope you have understood this question. So let us solve one more question. So this is the given question. we need to determine y and z parameters for the given network. So this is the network given to us. Now already node 1 and node 2 have been marked, so we'll apply KCL. So let us start by applying KCL to node 1. Correct? So what we can say is I1 is equals to, right, incoming current is equals to outgoing current. So that is equals to V1 by 1 plus V1 over here it is V2 by 2, right? So that comes out to be V1 plus V1 by 2 minus V2 by 2. So that is 1 plus 0.5. So that is 1.5 V1 minus 0.5 V2. So this is the equation of I1 that we get. Fine. Now similarly we'll apply KCL to node 2. This is our node 2. So I2, which is coming from here, right, that will be equal to V2 by 2 over here, right, plus 3I1, that is already given over here, and the other is V2 minus V1 upon 2. So on expanding, this will be V2 by 2 plus 3 times. Now I1 can be expressed in terms of V1 and V2 as 1.5 V1 minus 0.5 V2 plus V2 minus V1 by 2. Right? Now why did we do so? Because सब कुछ voltages के term में है. So this you will get as 0.5 V2 plus 4.5 V1 minus 1.5 V2 plus 0.5 V2 minus 0.5 V1. So on simplification, you will get the value of I2 as 4 V1 minus 0.5 V2. So say this is our second equation. So let's name this as first and this is our second equation. Now what we'll be doing is we'll compare this equation with our y parameter, right? As we have already studied, what is the function of y parameter? That is I1 comma I2 is equals to function of V1 comma V2. So as you can see in both the equation, we have received the same. So what we can write is y11, y12, y21, y22 is equals to, correct, the coefficients, that is 1.5 minus 0.5, V1 comma V2 है, तो coefficients 4 and minus 0.5. So this is the value for the y parameter that we get. Now what we need to do is we need to calculate the z parameter. So how to calculate the z parameter? That is using the interrelationship between the parameters. Now as you can see, हमें z11, z12, z21, z22 चाहिए. We already have the y parameters. So using this formula, we'll solve the same. So we can write what is z11, that is y22 by delta y. Correct. Now what is delta y? Delta y will be y11, y22 minus y21, y12. So the value of delta y that we get is 1.25. Fine. So on substituting the same, so y22 is minus 0.5 upon 1.25. That comes out to be minus 0.4 ohms, right? Similarly, z12, that is minus y12 upon delta y. So y12 is minus of minus becomes plus 0.5 upon 1.25, that is 0.4 ohms again. Similarly, z21, that is equals to minus y21 upon delta y. So that is minus 4 upon 1.25. That comes out to be minus 3.2 ohms. And the last, that is z22, that is equals to y11 upon delta y, which is equals to 1.5 upon 1.25, that is 1.2 ohms. So यहाँ पर हमें सारे z parameters भी मिल चुके हैं. So what we can do is we can now represent this as matrix. So matrix में it will be minus 0.4, z11, then z12, z21 and z22. So this is our z matrix. Similarly, जो हमें यहाँ पर y मिला था वो यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. So I hope you have understood this. For any queries, you can write to us in the comment section below. Please share it with your friends as much as possible. See you in next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.